So, you're in the mood for some romantic time with your loved one, that loved one of course being anime, but you're looking for more. Well, no fear, because I've got 5 romantic anime recommendations for you. Starting off is Mysterious Girlfriend X. So there's a new girl in school and she's hands down the one. You want to get closer, but you don't know how to approach her. You see an opportunity and you taste her drool. While that may be an instant not watching for some of you, this is Tsubaki's story of falling for the attractive Urube, and how entwined their relationship becomes. This sweet, funny, and sometimes relatable romance is one I cannot recommend enough, and that's what this list is all about. So let's move to the next one, which is Clannad, but specifically Clannad After Story. Now the reason that I say both is because the first season is more of a traditional rom-com high school anime. However, get those 23 episodes of character development for our main cast, Nagisa, Fuko, Tomoya, Yuhei, and the larger band of friends before diving into what is, in my opinion, one of the most emotionally connective, suspenseful, and well-told stories in my anime watching history, Clannad After Story. And that dives specifically into Nagisa and Tomoya's lifestyle after high school, something often not present in the anime world. Another excellent romance set after high school is the more recent Golden Time, which follows freshman college student Banri as he attempts to find a calling in his school and his life after an accident at the end of his high school left him with memory loss. While that may sound depressing, sad, or whatever you may think of it, Golden Time is filled with many comedic and fun moments from the main cast, and the story is wrapped up in a nice and simple gold ribbon. But cliffhangers on the majority of episodes really push on the suspense between friends, relationships, and Banri himself. And you owe yourself a watch of this anime. Following that up, it's been a tough time for Ryuji to make friends at his high school, as he's been thought of as a tough douche set out to pick on or even rob you, even though he's a pretty nice guy. His attempts to prove the opposite have all but failed, and to top it all off, he runs into the palm-top tiger, Taiga Asuka, someone the school labels the worst of them all. Welcome to Toradora. What starts as hatred turns into companionship, slowly, and the episode-by-episode progression of their fates is suspenseful, dramatic, cute, and serious at times. While I'm not a fan of the spin-off chibi version, mostly because I want Season 2, Toradora is another great watch. Now, my final recommendation is set in high school. While there are tons in this setting, of course, My Little Monster sets itself apart through not only story, but the well-timed comedy between the opposites of the inexpressive Shizuku and the undisciplined Haru. As they learn more about each other and the people around them, every episode offers something new and enjoyable. I hope I'm not underselling this, but it is in this video, so I guess I'm not. Guys and girls out there, check it out. So, that was my first anime recommendation list, and there'll be more to come, so make sure to subscribe, like, and comment other genres you'd like me to recommend, or your own 5 recommendations as well. As always, it was a pleasure to have you guys watching. I'd be more than glad if you returned again. This is Brian Swan, and this is A Democracy. Stay tuned for more.